Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit your avatar on your Facebook using your laptop. So let's get started. First, type in www.facebook.com on your preferred web browser. Then you have to give in your login details and log into your Facebook. Now on the top left corner, you have to tap on your name and it's going to take you to your home page. Now there you have to look for edit profile button and tap on it. After that, you have to scroll down for the avatar option and find the edit button. Then you have to tap on the edit button and it's gonna take you to the variety of avatar options there, where you can select a new hair, new eyes, new nose, new body, new everything. After you select your avatar, edit your avatar, tap on done editing and tap on save option. And guys, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.